Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this video tutorial about ACT-CRM. So I had a client ask me a question about how do you edit the activities in the history area. So for example, let's say this contact right here, I want to call this contact. I'm going to come up and click on history to record that I called this person. Here under title, we have a drop down. And you'll notice that in this area, all of these items are available to me. Now, I'm not advocating that you put all these items in there. In fact, I actually limit it to two things because when you call someone, really there's only two outcomes in my opinion. You either spoke to the person or you left them a message. And probably 80% of the time you're going to leave them a message. So generally a database that I'm working in, I eliminate all of this stuff because it's just over the top in my opinion. Having said that, if you want to add something to this or if you want to modify this, how do you do it? Well, the way you do it is this. I'm going to click cancel. Next, I'm going to go up and I'm going to click on the phone call. Now, I have a little icon right here to make a phone call, but if you don't have that icon for whatever reason, you can go up and click on schedule, call. So now when I'm in here, you'll notice here in the title, when I click on this drop down in the call area, I can edit the list values. So these are all the items that are in here. You can delete them out of here. But now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on, let me just do add new record. I'm just going to call this zero test B. And the reason I put a 0 in front of it is because I wanted it to be at the top of the list. So it was easy to get to. I'm going to click on save changes. Once I click save changes, I'm going to click on this drop down again, and you'll see that option's available to me here in the call scheduling. But let's go back to the history. I'm going to close this because I'm not trying to add an activity. I'm going to go back up to the history. When I click on the drop down here, there's my test B. So to edit this in the history details area, you actually have to go through the process of scheduling a call and edit the drop down list there. Okay, my friends, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach back to me. Thank you very much. Be well. Bye now.